DDG2102, Intro to Multimedia. Week 6 is upon us. We're cruising right along here. Hopefully you're feeling comfortable, a little bit more confident in the Adobe Fireworks software. It's amazing through our discussion board and the sharing of links and articles how many designers use Fireworks and how many different applications they use it for. It's one of those software applications that Adobe's trying to figure out how it fits in with the digital publishing suite. But they know it's important because so many designers use it. One of the things we try to teach at Hodges is it's about the finished product. It's not the software application. So Adobe Fireworks is an excellent example of one of those fringe software applications that gives you so much flexibility that many designers use for all kinds of applications. So it's just one of those multimedia tools amongst many that can help you create creative final real-world solutions. So great job so far on the first 5 weeks. So let's go into our coursework folder and take a look at week 6. I mean, we're cruising right along in the book here. Last week we did chapter 5 in the book, and we really started dabbling a little bit in bitmap and vector tools. In the in-class lecture, we drew a mountainscape with a road, with a cactus and some rocks and some snow on the mountains and a sun. We played with the gradient tool. We did a lot of vector-based drawing. Vector drawing happens to be one of those things I love, and I do as much as possible in my design business because it's scalable, it's applicable to anything and everything I need it for, and it gives me an unlimited solution possibility. So week 6, we're tackling chapter 6, creating vector masks, editing vector masks, using the property panels, and using auto vector masks. So let's go in here into chapter 6. We've been flipping the classroom. So in class, we've been doing the homework project, and then for homework, we've been doing the follow-along book project. So like every week, we have the chapter 6 assignment link where you submit. I've given you the source files here for the lesson 6. I've given you a couple interesting videos about gradient masking and vector masking and paste as a mask, which is fun. And so chapter 6 classroom folder is full of all kinds of resources for you. So we'll go back in here into the homework section for chapter 6 and we'll take a look. Now remember, each week we're having a quiz on the chapter that we're doing the project in. Remember, it's an open book, open notes kind of environment, but I would highly recommend taking written notes as you go through your chapters, especially the definitions and the things that the quiz questions are based on, because your final exam will be a notes option. So you'll be able to use notes for the final, but book, typically I do not. We'll see how you do on the quizzes, but let's go ahead and take notes because the book as an option may not be an option. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chapter 6, masking in Adobe Fireworks. The project is called 2050. The Earth as we know it in 2050. This is all about masking tools, using both bitmap and vector masking tools. Create an image collage of life on Earth in 2050. You'll be judged on that seamless image. Look at this one. This one's cool. Adobe Fireworks has the tools to create powerful blended imagery. Many use both vector and bitmap tools to create final print artwork. So come up with an idea, right? Start to digitize it. Your image is a full bleed image, which means that the pictures go all the way to the edge. 800 pixels by 600 with a resolution of 203 is fine. You must have at least 15 layers or 15 masks. Everything must be originally combined collages in Adobe Fireworks, and you must use the bitmap and vector masking in order to create your design. It's funny, as the years go by and I teach, that future number keeps getting bigger. I think that they said Back to the Future 2, the movie, said 2015 was the future, and look at this, we're in 2015. So right now it's 2050, but it won't be long. I'll be in class teaching, and I'll move it to 2060 and 2070 as technology evolves and more things are possible. I try to keep the homework projects as fun as possible so that you have fun, but you learn while you're having fun. So let's see how we do with the masking tools, which should be a lot of fun. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what you come up with for the life of the world of 2050. Have a great week 6. Try to keep up with the quizzes, and we'll keep on plugging along here. Okay, gang. Good job. Bye.